Derrick Rose is an American former professional basketball player. He played 1 year of college basketball for the Memphis Tigers before being drafted first overall by his hometown Chicago Bulls in the 2008 NBA draft. Nicknamed D-Rose and sometimes referred to as the Windy City Assassin or Pooh, he was named the NBA Rookie of the Year in 2009 and became the youngest player to win the NBA Most Valuable Player award in 2011 at the age of 22 years and 7 months. Rose was born and raised in the Englewood area, one of the most dangerous neighborhoods on Chicago's south side. Rose was born and raised in Chicago and attended Simeon Career Academy. He was highly recruited by colleges, eventually choosing to join the University of Memphis under coach John Calipari. Rose led the Tigers to the most wins in NCAA history, their first number 1 ranking in 25 years and an appearance in the NCAA championship game. In 2009, an NCAA investigation revealed that Rose's SAT scores had been invalidated, and as a result, the NCAA vacated Memphis' entire 2007-8 season. In June 2016, Rose was traded to the New York Knicks, where he finished the final year of his contract. He signed with the Cleveland Cavaliers on a minimum salary for the 2017-18 season but was hobbled by ankle injuries, which led to him being traded to and subsequently waived by the Utah Jazz in February 2018. He signed with the Minnesota Timberwolves a month later on a rest-of-season contract. He stayed with the team through the following season and enjoyed a revived role as a sixth man off the bench despite missing 31 games due to injury management. For the 2019-20 season, the Detroit Pistons signed Rose to his first non-minimum salary contract since 2012 and he continued to be successful off the bench. The following season, he was reunited with his former coach Tom Thibodeau when the Knicks reacquired him in a trade. In July 2023, Rose signed to the Memphis Grizzlies in free agency, where he remained until September 2024 when Rose was released by the Grizzlies and subsequently announced his own retirement. On July 25, 2017, Rose signed with the Cleveland Cavaliers, joining forces with LeBron James. In his debut for the Cavaliers in their season opener against the Boston Celtics on October 17, 2017, Rose scored 14 points in a 102-99 win. On February 8, 2018, Rose was acquired by the Utah Jazz in a three-team trade that also involved the Cavaliers and the Sacramento Kings. 2 days later, he was waived by the Jazz. On July 3, 2023, Rose signed with the Memphis Grizzlies. He chose to wear the number 23, the same number he wore when playing for the University of Memphis. He received an ovation in his debut from Memphis fans on October 26 as he scored 8 points in 16 minutes off the bench in a 111-104 loss to the New Orleans Pelicans. On September 26, 2024, Rose announced his retirement. On January 4, 2025, the Bullies honored Rose during a game against the New York Knicks, also his former team, where it would be announced that the franchisee had plans to retire Rose's number 1 jersey during the 2025-26 season.